So to satisfy another quarantine craving today, we are going to be making burgers. So I'm defrosting the meat right now. I'm gonna chop up some onions. I already actually prepped the brine for the fries. So I did that yesterday, brined them overnight, salt water, and now I'm drying them out. And I haven't decided if we're going to fry them, like deep fry them, or if I want to bake them. I baked them last time. They were smaller last time, so this time they're kind of thicker pieces. Still thinking about it. We'll decide. So the meat's is still a little bit frozen. I was defrosting in the fridge, but I took it out to check on it. So I think I'm just going to transfer it over, this is brick, into this bowl. Yeah, these pieces are still pretty hard. Time to break out that rice paddle. See, it has its uses. So I've got the burgers seasoned now, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this cookie sheet to shape the burgers, and then that way I can, put them back in the fridge if I need to as a whole tray, and then they can be formed more evenly this way. Seems like it's hot enough. Let's give it a go. think I can break this open by hand. Hang on. Alright, here we go. How does this look? Camera, where are you? There you go. I think it's cooked. I'm gonna try to eat it once it's a little bit cooler. Oh no, these are burnt. They look pretty decent. This one's a little iffy, but the rest are okay. Okay, I'm gonna try this now that's cooled down a bit and see if it's actually cooked. Oh yeah, it totally is. It's burger time. Okay. That's the wrong burger. Oh yeah, I was gonna try. Here's the fry. How is it?
Ooh.
Good?
Tastes like a diner fry.
Yeah, we're trying them a little bit bigger this time, so we'll see. I was worried they weren't going to be cooked all the way through, so.
No, they're good.
Cool. Oh yeah, I forgot, I have cheese. Yes. And all American burger. Probably leave these on. Here, let me get them. Oh, there we go, yeah.
They're square, like Wendy's.
Is it Wendy's?
I think it's Wendy's.
Does White Castle do their square?
I don't know.
I've never had it, White Castle.
Me either.
Oh, we should try sometime. Alright, time to flip. Can I manage this one-handed with one wielding the phone? Woo! Yeah! There's actually a lot of oil in the pan, so I'm gonna have to drain that before I do round 2, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and start laying on some cheese, but I think maybe I need to reshape these before I put them on, because I don't want them to like totally melt over into the pan and create a mess. Okay, so I did put the burgers in here to warm with the cheese. Whoa! That's awesome. Okay, fantastic. I'm glad that they stayed warm and then the cheese also melted, because when they went in, the cheese hadn't melted completely. So these are perfect. I'm gonna set those there and then let's assemble. What do you want on yours?
What's that soup over there?
This is sauerkraut.
Oh.
Yeah, because we don't have pickles. So if you want something sour in it, there's sauerkraut, there's the achara that I made, the sweet, like green papaya stuff.
Probably just a little bit of the sauerkraut, just a small amount.
Do you want mayo on yours or no?
Yeah, just a little.
Okay.
Light mayo, light sauerkraut.
On all of them, or how do you want?
Maybe just 1 or 2, and then basic for the rest.
Okay. Let me. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. And then mustard ketchup, right?
Mustard ketchup, yeah. Oh, those look good.
I don't know how I'm gonna do. How should I do this? Just on this side, I guess? Or on top of that? On this side.
On the bottom, yeah.
This is the bottom?
I don't know. I wasn't here when you toasted.
Well, I don't know either. I don't remember. Okay. Do you want double decker?
No.
No? I got a lot of burgers here. Okay, and then mustard ketchup. This is also. Oh, okay. Well, there's that. Enjoy.
It's a lot of ketchup.
Sorry. That's how it came out. And then mustard.
Very nice color.
The ketchup?
Just the whole thing.
Oops. Anything else on this one?
No.
Okay. We'll start you with these. How about?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Hopefully this is the top. Yeah, they are the top. Okay. Oh, that's the bottom.
This is the same problem as last time.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you, wife.
You're welcome. Looks pretty good, huh?
I see you put that one to the back.
Shh. Shh. This one's squash here. This
Looks
is probably,
good.
probably the best one.
It looks really good.
Let's eat. So we're sitting down with our burgers now. Look. They look fabulous. I put the pepperoncini and caramelized onions and achara in mine. I added the caramelized onions to Robert's too, so you could have some. And then we've got our massive basket of fries here, which is very delicious looking. So we are going to dig in. Hope you guys are able to make something that you're craving during quarantine. See you next time.